I saw this. That's the sticker. This is the sticker one. Convertible. This was the convertible.
They didn't go in only, I think so. These guys didn't go in. We can touch them.
Yeah, that's the Bentley. Then this Range Rover. All three in a row, I said.
Hello?
That BM looks powerful, yeah, Papa?
Yeah, good morning. I've sent you the address, huh?
Put the window
It's
down,
opposite Mahim railway station, Ganesh Gully. Budrani, C24. C24, C block. Yeah. Take all the best. I'm just driving. I'll call you back in 5 minutes, okay?
Okay, guys, driving too slow.
Which here is?
He's not driving slow, it's the cars are slow. See, they all parked over here. You can just see them.
Oh, Audi.
Actually, I should have stood over here only. It's better to go and stand at Nariman Point. Look at the traffic from here. We'll be not able to make it. We'll take a turn fast.